हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम संजय भल्ला फ्रॉम द वे वी वर। जो भी हमारी इवेंट्स होती हैं या जो हैपनिंग्स होती हैं, जो ओकेजन्स होती हैं, हम उसको फिल्म करते हैं, उसका वीडियो बनाते हैं। आपसे अर्लियर हमने मस्टर्ड की फील्ड्स का शेयर किया था व्हेन इट वाज इन इट्स फुल ब्लूम, एंड टुडे वी आर हार्वेस्टिंग दैट सेम मस्टर्ड। एज यू कैन सी, इट्स ऑल हार्वेस्टेड. This side is yet to be harvested, so it's a long arduous journey when we bring this mustard oil to you. ये जो सरसों है, ये सूखती है, एक आध महीना इसको सुखाते हैं धूप में, उसके बाद इसको तेल निकालते हैं और तेल को भी 3 महीने तक इसको रोकते हैं। उसके बाद जब उसकी गत बैठ जाती है, उसकी सेडिमेंटेशन हो जाती है, उसको डिकेंट करके आपको ये तेल लेके देते हैं, आपके घर पहुंचाते हैं। और ये आपको ऐसी चीज़ कहीं नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज मोस्ट पीपल व्हाट दे डू इज़ तेल निकालने के बाद, कोल्ड एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के बाद उसको इमीडिएट फिल्ट्रेशन कर देते हैं, which is okay, but it is better that if you don't filter it and let it rest. So उसमें nourishment ज़्यादा होएगी. You can have you can feel it when you cook in it, and when you feel the oil, you can feel the difference. My friend, message again we are trying to tell you is your core issue is digestion. आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम, सारी बीमारी की जड़ आपका पेट है, और पेट से साथ कनेक्ट आपका तेल का है बहुत बड़ा। हमारे हिंदुस्तान के अंदर वी आर इंपोर्टिंग ह्यूज क्वांटिटी ऑफ पाम ऑयल विच इज ब्लेंडेड इन ऑल कमर्शियल ऑयल्स, वेदर इट्स कनोला, सफोला, whether you get groundnut, any commercial oil which is in the market is blended with palm oil. You also have a lot of olive oils, so-called extra virgin olive oils. I can say it with guarantee, they are not extra virgin. It's just branded like that. And why should you not indulge? Why should you not engage in your own local oils? Not for any other reason, for your own goodness, for your own health. आप देखेंगे अगर आप मस्टर्ड में, या ये काली सरसों है, ये पीली सरसों है, we also make groundnut, sesame. You could buy these oils as long as they are cold extracted and rested, unfiltered. You can buy them from anywhere and you'll see a sea change in your health. आपकी digestion बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, आपकी acidity खत्म हो जाएगी. Within 6 to 8 weeks, you will feel the difference. आपकी bloating, belching, you'll start feeling damn good in your core area, in your stomach. So just say no to refined oils, say no to commercial oils, invest in your health, go for all these cold extracted, unfiltered oils. And I beg of you, I pray that you people really go for this, not only from us, from anywhere in the country where farmers are doing this kind of a job, this kind of a work, you must buy from them. And this is all organically grown by us, as you can see. We of course also associate with a lot of farmers whom we sell our cows to, and we buy a whole lot of mustard, whole lot of sesame, whole lot of peely sarso from such kind of farmers. So we are able to supply you throughout the year. We don't have a large vertical, but we have a good amount of few hundred families, almost touching 1,000 families in Delhi NCR, and we are seeing the results, what's happening to them. So please share, like this video, and in the interest of the community at large, I would say, please insist everybody to try these oils. You will have a very big difference. You'll feel a very big difference to your health. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.